Hello everyone, this is Numra here and I'm back again with the complete part of this drawing. So this is the first part, sorry, first part. I thought that it would be good if I add that with the complete drawing as well. So yeah, those who didn't watch the first part, they can get the gist from here. And it's my second video of the year because I literally ghosted my channel like for a year, but I guess I'm finally kind of back, so I'm looking forward to it. I mean, I'm not gonna post every or twice a week, but definitely I'll try to post at least a week, once in a week, I mean. Rest, let's see how it goes. Like, I'm hella busy, like literally I am like, I got the time to do the artwork. Like, I am regularly posting on my Instagram, like 4 days a week, I guess I'm posting on Instagram. But for YouTube, I have to do a lot of struggle to do the edits and everything. So yeah, but it's still, I've been thinking like I have to be consistent here as well. So this is something I've been thinking, give it a thought, let's see how it goes. And yeah, like most of you, those who follow me or subscribe me, already know that this is my first video with my voiceover. So if it goes the way I want it to, then definitely I'm looking forward to do the all my uploads with my voiceover, because I literally don't want to use the YouTube musics. And like, it's not a tutorial one, so if you people wants to know like how I do what I do, like what brushes I use, how I do the sketching, the color, the blending, or whatever, let me know in the comment section. I love to share. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. See you again. Bye bye. Enjoy the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. I mean, got a tiny teeny time to do a comment as well and share it. Love you all. Bye bye.